OutSystems Web Theme Customizers demo. Okay, let's see a demo of theme customizer being used on a real use case. And for this use case, we're going to mimic the McDonald's look and feel based on its logo. And I'm just going to use this quick link here to fetch McDonald's logo. And I click on the logo, and Theme Customizer infers some of the colors of the logo for me. Okay, let's start fixing this because this doesn't look right to me. So the header here is the same color as the background, so there's no contrast. So let us improve this. I'm going to change the header color to black, and this is now much better. This left-hand side menu is too light. I'm going to change this primary color to red. Oh, good. It's much better. But now the text doesn't have enough contrast. So I'm going to change the secondary color to bright yellow. Okay, this is much better. Now, what else do I want to change? Now, the widgets here on the screen on this page don't have enough distinction from the background of the page because they're both white. The widgets themselves and the background is white. So I'm going to change this to a different form of gray. In this case, all E's. I'm going to hit Tab, the Tab key, and now this is a light gray color, so the widgets can have some contrast from the background of this page. Okay, this looks good. Let's see if our patterns, our widgets, also look good. Oh, the submenu background is coming from the title color. So let's change the title color to something like this. Let's see this now. Much better. Okay, so let's see this. Contents, controls. Somehow the main screen here, the main part of our screen, the main content is not in tune with the rest of the colors. So let's change the background color so that it makes this a bit more in tune with everything else. Let's go back to Dublin theme. And the background color, I'm going to change it to a light yellow. I've found this color earlier. The X code is 1238DD. I can either wait or hit Tab and it refreshes. And there we go, it's a light yellow color. So when I come over here, now this looks more in tune with the rest of the colors. Now this looks good. Let's test other themes. Let's go over to the Liverpool theme. Oh, this is bad. So the text here is black, so I can't have enough contrast here. So let's change this. Change the primary color to, for instance, something like this, or this one even. And now this is much better. Okay, I have black text, but this background makes black text stand out much better. So let's go back to Dublin theme to see if anything broke. And now my submenu is a bit at odds with this color. So I'm going to change this, which is the title color, also to this one here. And there we go. It's the same color, but the Silk theme generator is making it a bit lighter. So this is perfect. So let's change the header color. These are much lighter colors. Let's change the header color now to a dark red. Actually, this is much better. It looks much more like McDonald's, and all these three colors, this one here, the background, and the top one, are much more in tune with what I intended. So let's check out the other themes. So the Liverpool theme, it looks good. Lisbon theme, it also looks good. So I think this style is ready to go. I'm going to install it on our own JavaScript for Web Masterclass application, which is based on, let's check it out, on the Lisbon theme. So I'm going to copy the Lisbon theme over here. So I'm now at the Lisbon theme. I'm going to select all, that's Control A, copy. Now I'm going to go over here, double click on the style sheet, select it all, delete, paste, and there we go. Our style has been applied to our application as expected. It's perfect, but it's missing the icon. It's not here. The logo that was here is not here. So what do we do? Well, we right-click and save the image to the desktop or to any location. I've done this previously. And now we're going to use it here in our application. So we're going to open the web block, this web block here, the common header, so that this applies to all screens. And I have an application title. I don't have an icon. I'm going to drag an image here. And I'm going to import it from downloads. And here we go. I want it smaller, so the width is 20 and the height is 20 as well. And I want it before the links. And that should be it. Let's take a look at the screen. And there we go. I have my logo installed on my application as well. So this is how we use Theme Customizer to change and apply styles to the Silk UI themes and then to use it in our own applications. And that's it for the Web Theme Customizer demo.